Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create lever with cam for fixture assembly. I select top plane, sketch, normal, I draw a circle, add center point origin, right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of this circle, 30 mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to features, extruded boss base feature, from here select mid plane and extrude it up to 14 mm. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, I draw circle, so I select circle command, right click, select option, now I select line command, center line, draw a horizontal line, right click, select option, again select line command and draw one more line in this direction, right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of this circle 6 mm, angle between these two lines 135 mm, right click, select option, now select circle command and draw a circle here, smart dimension, diameter of this circle 6 mm, right click, select option, select this circle, construction geometry, come back from the sketch, go to features, extruded cut, and here select through all, select OK. Now select reference, plane, insert a plane, first reference, I select right plane, dimension 15 mm, distance, select OK. Now select this plane, sketch, normal, I select circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, diameter of this circle 6 mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extruded cut up to 9 mm, select OK. Now select this plane, select hide, now here select chamfer 0.5 mm, select this edge, and this edge, select OK. Again select fillet, chamfer, select this edge and this edge, this time chamfer parameter 1 mm, select OK. This part is complete, edit appearance, give it some color, I select this color, select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, Explain CAD.